I'm Jim Burke, partner in charge of technology here at Withum Smith & Brown. You may have heard a lot about BYOD, bring your own device. But today, we're going to talk about some of the dangers of not having a BYOD policy. Why do you need a BYOD policy? The number one concern, protecting private and confidential client information. You can never prevent anyone from looking over your shoulder, capturing client information. But what you can do, if you have a BYOD policy, and your device is lost or stolen, you can immediately initiate a remote wipe of that device. Another danger in not having a BYOD policy is the inability to control spiraling mobile device costs. Hey Jose, how you doing?
Hey Tim.
Another receipt for a mobile device. With the BYOD policy, we were able to cut our monthly recurring telco charges in half.
Hey Paula, it's Diane. How are you? Sorry it took me so long to get back to you. I just got this new cell phone device from the office and it's really got some challenges.
Diane, we're done. It is 5:10.
Okay.
I needed that financial statement by 5 o'clock. Yeah, I just blew my covenant. We're done. I'm finding another accountant. Goodbye.
I understand. Thank you. I can't believe this phone cost me my client.
You just saw a scenario where staff struggle to respond to a client need. When you have a BYOD policy in place, staff don't struggle. They respond quickly and timely because they're using their own devices. And that's why you need a BYOD policy.